Y'all, this is Steve Webb with Sun Up, Sun Down. Today is July the 15th. Brought the family out. We're going to do some jugging. Alrighty, y'all, first fish. And that is one ugly catfish. Here we go. Nice. Hit her in the boat, y'all. Cool. Oh yeah, we got another one. This one might be a good one.
Oh shit!
Here you go.
Here, baby.
Pull it up. That's a nice one, y'all. Bailey, you having fun? Okay, he's swimming right at us. They say it's supposed to be 101 degrees today. Okay, here we go. Uh-oh. Did we run over it?
No.
Okay. Let's see what we got, y'all. That one's a shaker. That one's got some shoulders on him. Well, that's a pretty catfish. That's a blue. Nice. Bailey, what kind of noise they make? Alrighty. Oh, it's a little bass. That's cute. We gotta let him go. Yeah, they're just tangled up. It might be a pretty good one. No, don't get that one. Get this one. There you go. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we got, y'all.
That's a big one.
It's a big one?
Big one.
How big? Oh, nice.
Yay!
Cool.
Come here now.
That's about a 7-pounder. Not bad, Bo, not bad. Every location we've been to, we have caught catfish. So we're doing pretty good today. We're up in Cow Creek area. So nice. Cool, y'all.
Well, today we got a fish.
Hold that one up, Bailey. Let me see. Okay, y'all. It's gonna be the last fish of the day.
That was all of them?
No, we still got some more up there. And we got a fish right here. Okay. Almost noon. It's getting kind of hot, so we're gonna go ahead and pull them all and head on home. But so this is gonna be the last one, I do believe. Alrighty, Bo. Let's see what we got. A nice one. Oh yeah. Oh boy, that's nice. Wow. Hold that one up. Wow, that's nice. Alrighty, y'all. Well, Bo, did you have fun?
Yeah, I did.
Alrighty. We're out of y'all. Steve Webb with Sun Up, Sun Down. Y'all come get you some.